sister, Risa, is the baby who was born a decade after I literally survived being the only girl in our family. The excitement, of course, was undeniable. Her most distinct features right at birth are, of course, as you can see, her beautiful skin and her gorgeous eyes. Soon enough, we discovered she had a beautiful smile. Being in our family group for a couple of months now, I'm really impressed how Azim managed to cope with our Pinoyness. I hope and pray you'd be an amazing husband to my sister, the way you've been an amazing boyfriend and fiancé. We've witnessed this, and it is because of this that we have decided to support Risa's decision of marrying you. And having said this, on behalf of our family, we welcome you wholeheartedly.
Good evening, everybody. Welcome to Azim and Sharifa's wedding reception. My name is Johan and I'll be your MC for today. And right now, I would like for all of you guys to please join me in standing up in welcoming the parents of the bride and groom.